How to change Pinterest email address. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up the Pinterest app and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Here you want to click on settings, and from the personal information section, which is the first section, you want to click on account settings. And as you can see here, the first thing on our list is email, so you want to click on that. And here you will see your email address. So in order for you to change the email address, just click on it and change it to whatever email address you want. So this is the example email address. And once you're done, click on the red button at the top right of the screen that says done, and then Pinterest, just like any other website or social media, will send a confirmation email to this email address that you have entered to confirm that you are really the owner of that email address and it's not just a random email address that you don't have access to. And once you do that, once you confirm it's your email address will be changed. And yeah, it's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to change email address on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.